back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and I'm telling you guys, sikhuluma ke ngedodakazi kaDumi Mkokstad, uLikuwe. She just turned 13 years izolo on the 19th of November 2025. So uma wakhe bakithi uDr Ziphoza Nkosi took it to social media ukumfisela ke usuku ke oluhle. Wathi, happy birthday my girl, watching you grow has been one of the greatest gifts of my life. You are kind, thoughtful and funny, and always ready to help everyone around you without ever being asked to. You carry so much light in you. I hope you always know how deeply loved you are. May this new year bring you joy you can't contain, and maybe, just maybe, everything on that very long wish list. You know, I love you today, tomorrow, in every lifetime. So ke bakithi basibesha kwabantu ukuthi ke cha ke happy birthday kwindodakazi kaDumi ke uMkokstad. First born yakhe lena ayithola ke before umshado wakhe ke no Dr Ziphoza Nkosi Nzimande. Ngizokhumbula ke ukuthi ke ngesikhathi uDr Ziphoza Nkosi Nzimande ekhuluma ngokuthi ke umntanakhe une birthday omncane. It was his son's birthday, and she break down, guys, ekhumbula ukuthi how difficult was it for her ukuthi uDumi unayo ingane yena akanayo ingane. So ngesikhathi enenkinga zokuthi athola abantwana ke it was one of the difficult situation ake abhekana nayo ukuthi kahle kahle kulomshado uyena owenenkinga yokuthi ke angatholi ke abantwana, but ke by the grace of God wagcina ke etholile ke abantwana abawu2 after ke ifirst born kaDumi ke uLikuwe. Bamthanda bakithi. She is beautiful. She resembles ubaba wakhe kakhulu. She looks like him. Happy birthday to her. She is growing so fast, guys. Muhle bakithi. Happy birthday, Nana. Hope you enjoyed your birthday. Yes, the action, guys, it's a belated birthday. Bye. Hey,